everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back. I am here again for day 4 with Spellbinders. And yes, with something a little bit differently. They have come out with a new club kit of the month. Oh my goodness. And it is a stencil club. I am extremely excited. I want to get more into stencils. I see all of these beautiful cards done with stencils. And I'll be honest, sometimes it's a little bit intimidating for me, but I just know that this will get me out of that and I will absolutely enjoy them. So this stencil set is called My Love Grows, and I'm going to keep this in real time because we're going to talk about it a little bit. There are 4 stencils in this set. Each stencil has these corner marks, and that's where your panel will fit in. These pieces measure like 4 3/4 by just over 5 or over 5.5 again. So your panel will fit in those marks. Each one is numbered, and that's how you can keep them straight to say, okay, this one's first, the number's upright, this is how this sits, this is the next one, and so forth. When I lay them all together, I like to do that because then that gives me a sense of what the image is going to be and what it's going to look like. Now, as always with Spellbinders kits, they also provide a wonderful card that tells you what you're getting and then also some great inspiration. So you'll be able to see that. So I'm going to use my waffle flower sticky matte stamp thing. I'm loving this thing, and I do keep mine on the grid that it came on. I have the 8x8, and I tape it down to my work surface because I just like that mat there in case I need it to help guide me. I've taken my 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch panel, and I've lined it up into those markings that are on the stencil itself, and I'm going to line up the next one the same way. So that's how I know my stencils will be positioned the same way or at the same spot each time. Now, when it came to the flowers, since they were first, I added 2 colors. I added a light color first, and then I came in with a darker just down at the base. Just because you're using a stencil, it does not mean that you still cannot ink blend and add dimension and texture through using either multiple colors or adding more ink of the same color in one area. And then you will get that two-tone look also. After I'm done with the one color, I will then pick up the stencil and then place the next one. And as you continue to go, you'll make sure that your stencil is sitting where that should be sitting. Now I'm going to come in with Artichoke. I'm using my Simon Says Positively inks. And now just going in and adding that color. This is my dark green for the stem of each of the flowers. These were also very easy to clean. I do like to use alcohol to clean my stencils. I think it gets it cleaner than if I would just use warm water and soap, which is perfectly fine to do as well. So here I'm coming in with that final green that's going to go in between all of those leaves coming out and just adding a little interest to those. Now you could even add another green to this if you want. You could add some dark brown. You know, again, whatever colors that you have, utilize. And that is our panel. So cute. Too cute. So I'm going to put my clear covering back on my waffle flowers mat. Get that out of the way, and we are going to start layering or putting our card base together. So I trimmed down the panel to be just under 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to put that on my standard A2 size card base. And I'm just grabbing a sentiment from a little tiny container that I keep on my craft desk. Learned that from Laura Beard. Thank you. And I'm using some double-sided foam tapes to prop that up. This sentiment actually came from the Advent calendar last year for 2022. And it's a great, cute little tiny banner there. We're going to add that right in the center. I'm going to add some shimmer to the top of that banner, just to add some shine to our card. And that is it. That is our project for today. So looking forward to some great stencils coming through by Spellbinders. Stay tuned for more of these on the channel. I know I cannot wait. The products that I used will be listed down below. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave those down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and make sure you ring the bell so that you know when the next video is ready for you to watch. But most of all, have fun creating your art. Enjoy the process. Remember, take these techniques that you see and in so many other channels and use it to what you have. Use your stash and have fun with it. Create new ways to stretch it and use it in different ways. That's the beauty of paper. And that's the beauty of what we can do with it. So again, guys, enjoy creating your art, but most of all, remember, always be creative. And I will talk to you in the next one. Till then.